We have lawnmowers. We have a Nerf gun. What's the name of that Nerf gun there?
Nerf Rival Knockout.
Knockout. Let's see it in close. Wow, looks cool. We have a whole bunch of lawnmowers set up, guys. We got our Nerf Rival ammo. We're ready to go. We're gonna do some red cups on. We're gonna line up our lawnmowers on the lawn. We're gonna put red cups on them, and you're gonna see if you can blast the red cups with those rival rounds better than the last time you tried with the actual those elite darts. Yeah. So let's see if you're better today with that. Let's go grab the lawnmowers right now. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Let's set up the lawnmowers. As you set up the lawnmowers, I'm gonna put the cups in them. So grab the first one. You can put the gun down if you want, the blaster. Okay, roll. Let's get it out. Let's get it out to, that's not bad right there. Let's do that. Okay. And now, I'm gonna put a cup right there on top.
You should put like another one on
Now
top.
let's go. Next one. We'll see. I want to make it challenging for you. If you put more cups, then it'll be easier for you. Let's go. Next lawnmower. Ooh, that's a bubble one. Right there. Right there's good.
That's gonna be really easy.
Well, that's what you said last time, but what happened? It took a while to get them out. So let's see. Okay, that one's there. We got two set up.
Yeah, this one.
Let's just get them like kind of closer. Let's get the next one.
I like the wheels on this one.
That is a cool wheels.
Yeah.
Spin them. Let's go. Let's see. Ooh, that is cool. Now let's go a little bit further with that one. Right here. Yes. Good. Now I'm gonna put the cup right on top.
I didn't see it.
Wow.
I thought you guys were.
Okay. Let's do two more. We don't need to do all of them. Pick two more. Those two. Okay. Roll them one by one, please. Let's set them up nicely. Oh, we're missing a piece now. We gotta fix that one.
Yeah, the bubbles come out of it.
Oh man, we gotta fix that. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's put that one a little bit further right here. And that way more. Okay. Good. Boom. And we're gonna put, since this one's further, we're gonna put two.
Yeah, because it's hard.
Okay. One more, last one. You wanna make that one challenging for you?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna make that a challenge. A little bit further. All the way down.
I know where I'm gonna put it.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it. Sounds like a real lawnmower. Oh, I'm not kidding.
That one sounds pretty cool, actually.
Here.
Right there.
There's an ant on it.
That's fine. Are you afraid of ants now? Okay, good. You know what? We could do this. Let's put cups right in front of this guy. Can you help me?
Oh, that's gonna be way too hard.
How many we got? Okay, we can put, oops.
Ooh.
We can do this. And we can do this.
Ew, what is
And
this?
this. I don't know. It's got a hole in there. It's fine. It's like melted or something. Okay, put it on top of that. No, the other way. No. No, man. Yeah. Yes. Beautiful. Boom.
Oh.
Good. Here we are. We got our targets. Show us how this blaster works. The knockout. How does it work?
You do this. Load it.
Okay, load it for us. Let's
It's
see.
already loaded. But I can put
Oh, it's
two.
already loaded.
You can
So
put two inside.
Okay, so there's already a ball in there.
Dart.
Okay, and then you close that up.
Close it.
And-
Lock it.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Which one are you going for first?
The red one.
The red one. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see you aim. Go. Oh, that one.
We're all the way to the neighbors.
Oh my! It bounced all the way out there. Oh well. Load it up again.
Bullets.
I thought you said that was gonna be easy. So far, it is not easy. But let's see. Okay. Aim. Oh, it's not gonna be as easy as you think. Wow. Let's go. Keep going.
That was
Keep
gonna
going.
be really easy.
Come on. You gotta aim. Gotta aim better. You can do this. I know you can do it. Oh, dude.
It's not working out.
Come on, you can do it. I know you can do it, bro.
So far, it's not working out.
Oh, man.
Last
Oh,
bullet,
man.
Last bullet.
Oh! You kind of scraped it. You kind of scraped it. But go again. Reload again. Let's do this again. You kind of scraped it, and they're all waiting for you. How are you gonna get the other ones if you can't get this one? This one's the closest. Come on. Okay, you want to try a different one, or you want to stick with this one?
Stick with that one. Then when I hit that one, I'm gonna,
Okay, go. Oh, dude, come on, man.
Bro.
So close. So close.
Yeah.
I don't think-
this one like pops out.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Oh my
Oh.
gosh. This is really hard to actually.
I know you can do it, though. I know you can do it.
It's really hard to aim. Bro.
Go. So close. Come on, you can do it.
Go.
Woo! One down. Let's go to the next ones. Oh, that was close. That was really close. Saw that one almost go down.
Yeah.
Oh, close too.
That was so far. It bounced off so far.
Bounced off all the way to the other side.
All the way to America.
Yeah. Oh!
That was so close.
I feel like the next one you're gonna get. There you go. Nice.
You
All right,
called it.
2 down.
You called it, man.
2 down. We got 3 more to go, but you got 2 down. That's not bad. Let's see what else we got here.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Which one are you going for? That one down there. Oh! Oh!
that was
Oh!
so
Oh!
close.
It looked good. It looked good.
That was so close for the first try. So close. Oh! It would have hit the cup if it bounced off like higher.
I think so too. Wow! Oh! Whoa!
Wow!
That bounced all the way up and hit you in
It
the
bounced
face.
there, then it hit there, then it hit me in
Wow,
the
wow.
face. That was literally so.
Gnarly. Gnarly.
Yeah, this gun is so powerful.
Wow.
Like,
You going for the other ones? Okay,
blue one.
go. Oh, nice! Got that.
Bang.
Nice, nice, nice.
Right away.
2 left. 2 left. Let's go for this one. I'm gonna sit up here. Oh! Close.
Oh! They went all the way to the neighbors. That was.
That was close.
That's close. I'm gonna try like this.
Oh, whoa, that landed all the way
Almost hit
here.
you in the face.
Yeah, I'll see. Well, do this one. I won't see that. We'll film that one last. Nice. Solid. We got 1 left. The little tykes, gas and go. Whoa, 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 wow. So you're getting better at that, looks like. You're getting better at aiming. Pretty good.
Oh yeah? this. It's gonna be. I'm gonna hit the middle of that dartboard.
Do it.
I think I can.
Let's see. Close.
Ammo right away. But thanks for watching this, guys. Click like. See you guys soon. Subscribe. Bye.